Hey everyone, it's Lissette here. Welcome to my channel. I am so excited. I got some packages that I want to show you guys. One of them is from Amazon that I purchased, which is hilarious. And then another one is from Nail Reserve. And then I actually got two packages from, one is from a subscriber and another one is from Tashify. So let me open up these packages. I do want to do a nail design for you guys. I want to do like a blue trendy nail design. You know when they have those 3D flowers, something similar to what I did with this hand. These are gonna come off real soon, but not today. Let me open these packages so you guys can see what I got. Okay, like I said, this first one is from Nail Reserve. Sorry I missed last week's video. I had a lot going on with the new launch, and then my kids are starting like a new baseball team. It was just a lot, you know, packing orders, and it was just a little bit hectic. I always get confused with how to open these boxes. All right. Ooh, so this is from Nail Reserve. And if you guys did not know, I'm like obsessed with Nail Reserve polishes. I have a full drawer dedicated just to Nail Reserve, and that's how much I love them. Okay, so they sent me 8 bottles. So all of Nail Reserve polishes are cruelty-free, vegan-free. Let's start with this purple because this is like gorgeous. So this one is called Lilac Madness. This one is pretty. So again, this one is Lilac Madness. I do have a discount code with them. If you guys want to purchase through them, you can save, I want to say it's like 50%, which is an amazing discount. This one is called Cashmere. I feel like I've had this color already. And if I do, I will do a giveaway with them if I do have an extra bottle. Rainforest, yeah, I definitely had this one. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous green. Such a pretty color. Look at that glitter inside. Next up we got is Boss Lady. Pretty. And I always say it, their polishes has a sweet, it's like a sweet, oh my God, did I get it on my nose? That's not good. It's like a sweet smell to it. I can't describe it. It's such a pretty smell. This one is Away We Go. I don't know why I remember these names. If I do decide to do a giveaway, it'll be in this video, and then I will just leave. Let me see. Let me just see to make sure. Oh, I do. Look, I got 2. This is gonna go in a giveaway. Draw. Is that this one? Yeah, giveaway. Next color is called Dare to Shine, which is a gorgeous glitter. You know what? I think I have this one too. This one? Yep. Boom. Giveaway. Oh, and then we have No White top coat, and then the base, which is a base coat. So I actually already have both of these. So these 2 plus these 3 will be in a giveaway. I will leave that in the description box for you guys. You guys can go ahead and check it out. I do like to add more stuff to them when I do these type of giveaways. So this is something I'm gonna have to like dig through when I look around to see what I can add to your box. But yay, I already have all of these. Like I said, these are gorgeous colors. You guys are gonna save if you do use my code. If I'm not mistaken, I will leave it here. I think it's Lissette Cruz, and then you get your 50% off. So go shop Nail Reserve, and then if you want these polishes, just follow the description on what to do to enter, and we will give this to a lucky person. So thank you so much, Nail Reserve, for sending this over to me. Let's open the next box. Y'all, I am so hyped for this. So this next one is by Tashify. You guys, OMG, let me just open it to show you guys. It is an armrest. So it is an armrest. I do already have one of her armrests. So this is the one that I currently have on my nail desk. It is gorgeous. It is white. I'm actually low-key afraid to even use this thing sometimes. Like for myself, when I am doing my own nails, I did want to originally prop my hand on top and do like, you know, my nail designs on it, like showing the background. But it is a white thing and I'm so scared to like mess it up. But you see it has the gold legs. So she does customize these and she hand makes them, guys. I will leave all her info below or in the description box so you guys can see what her other colors are and what her choices are. She does have the gold legs. She has these silver legs, but she did reach out to me for this one. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the lid. As you can see, it says hello beautiful. It has her info right here at tashify.nails. Has her little sticker, handmade with love. It does have a cute card. Let me read it first. Okay. Baby, this is a long letter, but oh my god, y'all, I am truly grateful and appreciative to her. She is amazing, you guys. Thank you so much, Tasha. This means a lot to me. Okay, so we have her card. This is all of her info. Screenshot it. Okay. Just ripping it. The excitement in my face is contagious. Look at it. Y'all, look at this. Oh my god, the bottom is pink. So she has like black, she has the red, like a red dot. Well, should I say red bottom? I don't know if I should say, but she has the red underneath bottom part. God, that is so cute. It's pink. Y'all, I'm a sucker for pink. Even though I don't physically wear pink clothing, but everything else around me, like, I just love pink. This is so freaking cute. I don't know if I should build it now or later. I think I'm gonna wait till later. Ooh, she sent me some cute little trinkets. We have the Chanel, Louis Vuitton. So we have gold and silver. She just sells these on her website as well. Okay, so it comes with the screws. Ooh, we got some nail files. We have these tiny little cute buffers. So we have 180 and 100 grit nail file. And then the gold legs, of course, to attach to the bottom of these. I'm not gonna do it right now. I think I wanna do a separate reel for it. So I'm just put everything in here as nice as I can. Thank you so much, Tasha, for sending that over. You guys, I'm gonna be switching out. Oh, and I did want it to match this one. So she did reach out to me and I did choose which one I wanted. I did not know it was gonna be a pink bottom, which is so freaking cute. Now I want this to change to pink. But this is what I was talking about, where it has like the black back underneath. She has like a red underneath. So I'm assuming you can pick and choose. I'm not sure, don't hold me to that. But so I did want it to match my elbow rest. And this thing is a lifesaver, you guys. I do have a promo code for her. Again, I will leave it here. If you guys wanted to save some coins, if you did want to shop with her, go to her website and I will have all that information again linked in the description box with that physical link so you can click it. Ew. I'm excited to set it up. Next package, y'all. Okay, so I did get another package. This is from a subscriber. She doesn't really want me to shout her out, but one thing I do want to say is I am so thankful that you thought of me. She did. I'm hoping it's okay that I show what you sent to me. I know you didn't want a shout out, but I cannot just not say something. Look at what was made. It is gorgeous. It is beautiful. Girl, I'm not gonna shout you out. I'm respecting your privacy. But look at my apron. So what I love about this is reversible. She sent me a apron. She handmade this. Girl, if this is your business and if this is something you do, please let me know, because I do want to show support and I do want to share where they can find you if this is something you do. You can tie it right here. I can't believe you made this. This is so freaking cute. So it is reversible. This is what the other side looks like. It has like these little flowers. Is this a pocket? It's a pocket. And we have pockets in the bottom. I really like this side though. Look how pretty that is. So pretty. She sent like these little lavender packs that I could put in my room to make it smell good. I love lavender, and lavender kind of deters mosquitoes. If you did not know that, lavender is an amazing smell that mosquitoes don't like, and I did not know that. How did I Google that? And with the leftover parts, she made me scrunchies. Like, how freaking cute is this? This reminds me of like the oversized scrunchies that, what's that company called? I forgot the name of it. I do want you to know that I appreciate you, and I'm super thankful that you thought of me to make something like this for me. I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much. Oh, and this is the little scent thing. I love lavender. Lavender is like my favorite scent. Okay, next. Okay, so I only have one more thing to show, and this is actually hilarious. You guys are going, I hope you guys get a kick out of this. So this is, I got this from Amazon. I can't stop laughing. It is hilarious. I know when they were probably packing this from Amazon, they were probably like, what the hell is this lady ordering? It's a foot. Look at the foot. Look at, and it's like jiggly. This is actually really good quality. Honestly, I'm trying to think. I think it was like 20 bucks, maybe less. Let me close these curtains because the sun is beaming right on my face. So it's a foot. You insert your nail beds or tips into this little pocket right here. You see it's kind of like opens underneath. So yeah, I thought about, a couple of you was asking for me to do like toe designs. And I don't do people's feet. I don't even like doing my own foot. So I thought maybe I should invest in a foot, and I did not want to spend an arm and a leg on a foot. So I ended up getting this. A foot video is gonna come real soon. Me doing a pedicure on this guy. I don't know how I feel about it, but you can't beat the price. It was not bad, and it looked pretty good. It don't look that bad. Like, I don't know, if I put it like this, y'all can't tell it. Can you tell it's fake? Well, maybe. That's hilarious. Still, my kids was like, what the hell is that, mommy? Oh, so funny. The only thing I don't like about this is when you when you start to use it, and let's say if you're filing, the silicone catches everything, like all of the dust, and it just is annoying. Yeah, it's just super annoying having to like try to clean it and then it doesn't clean properly. We're gonna try it out. Let me know what kind of design you want to see on a foot, on toes. That's funny. Let's do a nail design. Hey everyone, so you guys, I am like low-key disappointed. I am actually physically editing this video currently, and I am realizing the end, I don't know what happened to the nail design that I wanted to do. So I'm actually trying my best to figure out what is going on, but I think I'm gonna have to do it as a separate video, which is kind of disappointed. I wanted it to be all in one. So I guess this first half is going to be just the nail haul. And of course I'm gonna link everything for you guys, everything that I got. I'm gonna have all the links and the promo codes for it in the description box, as well as the giveaway is still gonna go on. I did find more polishes. I added, I wanna say maybe like 3 more colors if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna try my best to fix that portion of the video because I really want you guys to see the nail design that I did and how I came up with it. I'm so disappointed because this video was supposed to go out today and now I had to kind of like cut it half short with you guys. Oh, so annoying. But I really wanted to put something out for this week because I did miss last week. Just remember, this is half of the part. This is half of the video. The second part is gonna come up, I promise, I hope. But yeah, so subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Stay for part 2. I'm gonna try my best to recover that footage so I can show off this cute freaking nail design that I did. But yeah, hopefully, you guys enjoyed this video and stick around, subscribe, like for more content. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Love ya.